The D00 extension identifies a split archive file part, typically the first segment of a multi-part archive created by various splitting utilities. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you reassemble or extract these split archive parts. Consider this the ace up my sleeve. There is a powerful technical workaround that I reserve for the toughest D00 cases. We'll cover the easier fixes first. D00 files are the first segment of split archive files, where large files or archives are divided into smaller parts for distribution. Subsequent parts use extensions D01 D02 and so on. All parts must be present and combined to restore the original complete file. Split archive D00 files contain sequential portions of the original file data. The numbering system starting from D00 indicates the segment order. File splitting may be performed by dedicated splitting tools or archive applications for size-limited distribution media. The D00 format is inextricably linked to the application WinRAR from win.rar GmbH. To access all data streams, audio-video subtitles, a dedicated media container handler is required. Windows can recognize common archive types, but viewing their contents requires the right utility. Your first move is to identify the possible openers. Right-click the D00 file and choose Open With. If WinRAR is an option, select it. If not, choose another program. It's often trial and error. If your D00 file will not open, do not worry. The best fixes start with understanding the problem. Before we move to the universal tool, here are the technical culprits behind the file failure. First, reassembling parts. Ensure all split parts, D00, D01, D02, etc. are in the same directory. Use the copy B command on Windows to concatenate parts. Copy B file, D00 D02 output ext. On Linux, use cat file deus output ext to combine all parts sequentially. Next, using HJSplit. Download HJSplit, a free file splitting and joining utility. Click Join Browse to the D00 file, and HJSplit will automatically locate sequential parts. Click Start to reassemble the complete original file from all segments. Finally, verifying completeness. After reassembly, verify the output file's integrity. If the original was a zip or RAR archive test extraction. If the join file is corrupted, ensure no parts are missing or were downloaded incompletely. Re-download any segments with incorrect file sizes. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. Finally, the problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagick. This software is available at filemagick.com. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.